Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We got 2014 Pete 389 factory built Cat glider kit. It's built with a C15 single turbo Cat, 13 speed, 390 gears, air track suspension. This truck only has 234,000 original miles. I've got it hot, going to do a full walk around, show you blow by, oil pressure, frame rails, everything that you want to see here. Let's go ahead and get started. Grill, surround, headlights, bumper, fenders, all look really good on this one. Back of the cab looks good. Intersection, frame rails look really good. Air track suspension there. Brakes are excellent. Platinum interior. Love the window in the back on these. Gives you some good visibility, good lighting. $234 on the miles. Those hours are not indicator to this truck. That would have been from the ECM, from the engine that was installed as this truck was built as a glider kit. So pretty common, specific on a Cat, not to reset that as they install these on the glider kits. Great low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure climbs up there just like it's supposed to. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.